hard. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is used, number one, to talk about facts. Example number one, the cat likes eating milk. Example two, Mary loves eating pizza. Those are facts, hechos, hechos que pasan, okay? That is how to use it. And this is the first example. Okay, example number two. How do we use the simple present? We use simple present to talk about hobbies and activities. For example, I like playing soccer. Example two, they love dancing tango. Those are hobbies. For example, playing soccer. For example, watching TV, listening to music, playing video games, cooking. Those are hobbies, actividades, pasatiempos. Number three, we use simple present to talk about daily routines, rutinas diarias. Example number one, my mother always gets up at 6 a.m. Example number two, I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m. That is the second example. When we talk about daily routine, we use the time. Usamos la hora. Yes? Okay, and in this case, we have the structure of the simple present. Look at this. We have the structure. We have the subject pronouns I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Those are the subject pronouns, el sujeto. We use the verb in present, go, eat, play, watch, see, talked, listen, verbs. We used complement, el complemento, okay? We use a complement. So I'm going to repeat it one more time. Simple present structure, this one is in affirmative, We use subject pronouns, verb, and complement, okay? Also, we have the negative form. In negative form, we use the auxiliary verb, do or does. Look at here, it says subject pronouns, do and does, that is the auxiliary verb. We add not, we add the verb in the base form, and we add the complement. Subject pronouns, remember, I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Do or does, or in this case, in negative, don't or doesn't. We use the verb and we use the complement. And what about the interrogative form? For interrogative form, we use do or does, that is the auxiliary verb. Then we use the subject pronouns. After that, we add the verb, and at the end, we use the complement plus the question mark. Usamos el signo de pregunta. Eso no se debe de olvidar. Okay? Good. So now let's see one more time the examples. Okay, it says spelling rules in the third person singular form. It means for he, for she, and for it. So, first rule, if the verb finishes with, si el verbo termina con CH, SH, SS, X, ZZ, or O, what happens if the verb finishes with that consonants or letters, okay? We have to add, tenemos que añadir, we have to add ES. For example, watch, watches, finish, finishes. Kiss, kisses. Fix, fixes. Buzz, buzzes. Go, goes. That is the first rule. Second rule, consonant plus Y. If the verb finishes with consonant plus Y, una consonante más la letra Y, we have to remove letter Y, and we have to add IES. For example, study, studies. We removed letter Y and we add IES. Example number 2, verb cry, cry. Third person, cries. And the third one, fly, flies. That is the second rule, consonant plus Y. And the last rule, if the verb doesn't accomplishment, second rule and first rule, we have to add just letter S. For example, take, takes, play, plays, talked, talks. And also, guys, we have some irregular verbs that this one changed completely. For example, have, has. Here we don't say have, has. Have, has. No. Here it changed. Have, has. And also the verb to be. We use am, is, and are.